everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon. We're here in San Francisco, Mabalacat, Pampanga, and we're near in cemetery in the left side. And Leon will gonna walk there, and I will wait in the car only. So let's go.
Why you don't want to walk? Afraid cemetery?
Yes.
Okay, I will walk. This way to Clark, it's now one way only road. Good afternoon. What time this road one way? What time start?
In morning, sir, it's 6 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Mhm.
Then in the afternoon, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, one way road only.
Yes, sir. But if you are a resident here, you can enter.
In resident you can enter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for information. This is cemetery in San Francisco. Mabalacat, San Francisco, Barangay. This is a small cemetery, and in this cemetery some of people live inside. So people live here inside. I not recommended walk here at night because so many dogs here, so many dogs. Actually, I'm first time walk here, first time. Before I ride only motor, maybe 5 or 6 years ago with Shira family, because her relatives also live inside this barangay. That's why I know. Barangay San Francisco. right side is also cemetery. And people live inside. And I go inside the barangay. Here don't have foreigner. Maybe have, but not so many. It's not same like Balibago. Oh, it's river.
Puti naman nito.
build new apartment. This is good location. Yeah, location is good. It's very close from Clark International Airport. Shire waiting me. I walk more, okay? It's okay, you're not tired. Huh? Okay, you sit here. I just walk inside cemetery and around like this, turn around. Okay, wait me. Before we turn here, but I want straight. Sales here. Barangay San Francisco. Okay, this is a basketball court here. Children and people always playing basketball. And people play inside the cemetery for children. Yeah, hi. Hi. Yes, it's basketball court. Hi. Municipal cemetery. This one. No, I don't want to go inside. I just show place. Hi. Apartment for rent, I don't know how much, maybe 1 month, maybe you will pay 1,000, or maybe not, maybe 500. This is one-way road right now. Only one way. many people from Clark, they go to home. That's why here one way. If two way, it's a traffic jam, so it's not easy to drive here. I always ride motor and drive car in this road. It's because I live nearby. This place is very close from airport. It's only 5 minutes only. 5 minutes to ride or use car, drive car. This is lot for sale. This one is for sale. I don't know how much, but they sell already long time. This one. As you can see, so many cars go from this direction. It's from the Clark. Usually in this area so many street foods, because people from the Clark, they go to their home, walk only. That's why here so many street foods. You can see everywhere have street foods. Sisig have also. And tricycle driver also waiting. Also construction workers here work. They build railway station. That's why they walk here also. Traffic enforcers here. Always in this time. It's now 5:15. This is road to the Clark. You can see some of buses from the Clark stop here in Rotonda, this area. That's why workers walk. Always 5 p.m. here traffic. This name place is Mabalacat bus station. Not Mabalacat, or Jeepney station. I will show in the map. This is MTech. We have same uniform from our group. We also help to traffic enforcers. If straight, it's Mabalakat market. This is Mabalakat market straight. And MacArthur Highway in straight, if you walk straight. You can see this. Heavy traffic this time. So I will go to where I park car, and we're going to buy foods in the hypermarket or Pure Gold, we don't know. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video someone like. I not go to walking street, you know, I walk, but tomorrow, Friday, I will go to the Fields Avenue. Thank you for watching. I don't know why Little Baguio.